Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are entering into some mind games. Oh man, I love chess, so this is going to be interesting. In particular, we have the Ruy Lopez. Ruy Lopez. And you know how we do, these boxes are very pretty, but they're about to get messed up. Before we do anything, like, subscribe. Let's go ahead and unsheathe this thing. As you can see, it's pretty clear. Man, this autofocus is aggressive. It's not even allowing it, but it's pretty clear. With no expectations, no knowledge on this house, this brand, this scent. So we're gonna go ahead and get it on. Oh, nice atomizer. Very nice, especially for a sample. That's crazy. Okay. A little sweet indeed. So we got here woody, leathery, aromatic, green, cherry. There's the sweetness. Spice, warm spice, rose, rum and patchouli. Rum and patchouli. In the top notes, you got cherry, black pepper, black tea. I'm definitely smelling the black tea. Rum. And something called yesterday. Rose, oak in the middle notes. And in the base, you have oak, leather, and patchouli. Now, I will say this. It's a very busy fragrance, but it's well blended. It's got a sweet dirtiness to it, right? Like cherries that are rolled around in dirt. I'm getting the black tea. There's definitely a spiciness with the pepper. Ruy Lopez. This is okay. It's a nice fragrance as far as its composition and what it's trying to do. No complaints there. But I wouldn't necessarily want to smell like this. Like I wouldn't wear this. It also smells kind of like, I feel like there's a tobacco note in here. It kind of reminds me of red tobacco. Like there's an ashy cigarette aspect to this. I don't know where that's coming from because it's not listed. But yeah, it's starting to come forward even more now. Maybe it's the leather, because it does remind me a little bit of, I think it's called dark leather from Molten Brown's collection. These are fragrances I have reviewed, so check those out. Yeah, it's sweet and ashy. It's like cherries and cigarette butts, and not in a great way. Yeah, this is going from not my thing to not really liking this. This smells like cigarette smoke. But it is a niche house, so, I mean, hey, it's not necessarily supposed to be mass appealing, but yeah, those are my thoughts. Mind games. Okay, we're off to a very interesting start. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm hoping that this changes a little bit. I don't want to leave on a sour note, but it's really hard to convince. It'd be really hard. Yeah, I grew up in a household that had smoke in it, so I'm like particularly. Oh yeah, I don't like this. But I can see the sheen. It's definitely a dense oil. No knock to it there. I'm not getting any of the rum. A little bit of a juicy rose. I can smell that. The cherry's almost gone. Or at least maybe I'm nose blind to it. But yeah, those are my thoughts. I'm very curious, man. What do you guys think? I mean, not just in the house in general, but of this particular fragrance, because it's been a long time since I smelled something that I didn't like flat out just really didn't like. Yeah, I kind of don't want this on my skin anymore. So that's the review. Well, the short impressions of it. Interesting. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Have you tried Ruy Lopez's fragrance from Mind Games? Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. On the way out, YouTube's making some wonderful recommendations right now. I highly suggest you check those out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.